Check it out! The mirroring brush is looking pretty cool. Look at that, look at that, look at that cool kind of radial thing I'm doing. I'm doing radial brush. It looks fucking awesome. Alright, let's check out the code before we run out of time here. So we're on video 446. We're going to look at the 446 deltas for this video. Anything with the 446 in the margins here. First of all, in the editor game objects, this eddy game object here, we've changed the mirroring flags to 0, which means we're going to mirror radially in the non-dense mode. In the MIRMAID functions within our editor put U32 symmetric radial, we have started to fill this out. So first of all, we need to carry over the original input GTX, GTY, and U32 to these variables. We're going to need some temporary swap variables for GTX and GTY to get the rotation correct, and here we're extracting the dense bit from our bit flags. This is the local and global span of the level in whatever current tile size we're using. Down here is the maximum index of global tile X, global tile Y. We're going to need that in order to rotate. And over here is the loading index for our triply paired arrays. And we need to reset our triply paired array and say that there's nothing in it right here. So that's what we're doing here. A function pointer to rotation clockwise at the internals of our tile. We're going to loop through twice. Once for non-dense mode, d equals 0, and then another time for d equals 1 for dense mode. So this is our non-dense branch. We're going to loop through rotations 0 to 3 inclusive. We're going to get the next loading index, load the original point into our triply paired array, and then we're going to rotate the point, and then store the rotated point, and then we're also going to rotate the internals. So we're going to loop through this. And notice that the last time we do these rotation calculations, we actually discard. It was just the most elegant way I could think of to enter this loop. Here, we're going to do the dense rotation code. The dense rotation code, where D is 1, and only if the dense bit is selected for. We'll do that in another video. Here, we're unloading our buffer, so we're going to loop through every single point loaded into our triply paired array, and use the normal tile setting function right here. Here's some footnotes, some other footnotes and stuff, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. You are on the fast playlist. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.